back to our channel. If you are joining us for the very first time, you are very much welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video of a new recipe, you are among my notified gang. So today I'm going to be cooking potato omelette. So let's go straight to our ingredients. So onto our ingredients today, I'm going to be using 2 eggs here. Then I'm going to be needing my potato. Here's my potato. I'm going to be needing finely sliced onion, just a half of it. Then I have green chilies here. This is greatly optional. You can use it or leave it. Then we have some green peppers here, bell peppers. Then I have my tomatoes. Then not my tomatoes, I've removed the seeds. So I've just cut the cover. And then we have our dhania here. We have our cooking oil, we have our salt here, and then on our spices, this depends on you. I'm using black pepper and turmeric. You can use the spices or you can leave them out completely. So my pan is heating up, so I'm going to add just a little bit of oil, like a tablespoon of oil. Swirl it so that it can cover the whole pan like that. So I'm basically going to pre-cook my potatoes because they are somehow hard. And I'm going to add in my onion. So we're only going to cook until our onion is transparent. Then we're going to add our potatoes. So our onion is transparent. I'm not letting it cook because this is an omelette. Remember, I'm going to add in my potatoes. And salt so well. So you're going to let your potatoes cook for about 2 minutes. So my potatoes have been cooking for about 2 minutes. And now I'm going to remove them from this pan. So now these are my 2 eggs. So I'm going to beat them until they are foamy. This foam, I'm telling you to beat well so that the foam can be formed, so that your omelette can be fluffy. So beat it very well. You can see the foam is already there. So now I'm basically going to mix in everything in these eggs. So add your tomatoes, bell peppers, the green ones. You can use the colored ones if you like. Coriander. Add your potatoes, your pre-cooked potatoes. And then now add a pinch of salt to taste. A half teaspoon. And then add a little turmeric. Add also a pinch of turmeric, a half teaspoon approximately. Then we're going to add our black pepper, just a little bit also. And now I'm going to mix everything very well. Our omelette mixture is now ready. So we're going to transfer this into our pan. So I'm going to add in a little bit of salt. Remember, I used oil also in my potatoes, so there's no need of adding too much oil. swirl it so that you can cover the whole of your pan like that. Then I'm going to take in my mixture. So I'm going to let my omelette cook for about 2 minutes under low medium heat. So my omelette is cooked on the downer side. So I'm going to show you my magical way of turning my omelette without breaking it. You can see I've transferred it to my plate. And then now I'm going to turn it the other side so that it can cook all sides. So I'm going to place my pan like that and turn it. So use your spoon to make sure the downer part is facing the pan like that. You can see it is looking very colorful. So my omelette is well cooked. So I'm going to remove it from my pan. Just like that. You can see my omelette is ready and looking very colorful. So that is how I prepared my potato omelette, and you can take this alongside your tea or your favorite drink for breakfast. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel kindly and watch others of my video. Thank you.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me even if it's fake.